Hey, guys. Welcome back to another Windows 10 tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super handy trick. How to turn your Windows 10 computer into a hotspot. This is perfect for situations where you need to share your internet connection, like setting up a network for a Chromecast in a hotel or any other scenario. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is head down to the Windows Start menu, click on it, and then go to Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to Network and Internet. Once you're there, on the left sidebar, you'll find Mobile Hotspot. Click on that. Now, in this Mobile Hotspot section, you can easily toggle the hotspot on and off. If you have a wired connection, like Ethernet, you can select it here to share that connection and create a new Wi-Fi network. If you want to personalize your hotspot, you can click on Edit. Here, you can change the network name. You can also set a password for the network to ensure its security. And that's it. That's how you turn your Windows 10 computer into a mobile hotspot. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for tech tutorials. Thanks so much for watching.